Welcome back to the channel. You're watching HQ BMW and my name is Jeff. So just heading to a quick doctor's appointment, just to talk to the doctor and follow up with some other items, and then we're gonna head over to Haute AG, and I got some brigade decals for him, and he's going to just carry some at the shop. And if any BMW enthusiasts stop by and they're interested in a BMW club, or just wanting to come out and take a look at the brigade and meet some of us, maybe come to some Cars and Coffee, you can shoot them some decals, and who knows, we may gain some more members out of it, but we'll see. So we'll head over there, but we're just heading into downtown right now, get to the doctor's, and then we'll go over to Haute. Keep watching. Well, we're finished at the doctor. Let's head over to Haute AG and see Dan over there, drop off some of these decals for him, and maybe I'll show you guys his recently wrapped M3. It is like the iconic M3 in Calgary. I know just about everybody that is a car enthusiast knows this car, so I'll give you guys some insight and show you. Here we are at Haute AG. Let's go say hi to Daniel. What do you guys think of that car? That's a legit race car. That build is just phenomenal. The wrap is new. What do you guys think of the wrap? I think Daniel did a fantastic job on it. So comment below what you guys think. And now, off to work. We're just heading home now. The work day is done. And I just wanted to talk to you guys about Haute AG. So I stopped there, but I never really told you guys what Haute AG is. So it's an automotive shop that does customizations. They do your regular maintenance. Do you need alignment, oil change, any routine service they can do. Do you want a custom exhaust put in, you can go see Haute AG. Do you want a brake jobs or spoiler put on your car? They do a lot of things. So if you're in the Calgary area and you're looking for a reasonable, reputable shop to go do some work at, Haute AG would be the place for you. They can help you with all of your automotive needs. And they actually have a spring special going on right now with an oil change and getting your car ready for the summertime. So go give them a follow on Instagram. I'll post their Instagram in the comments below. Give them a call. Anything you're looking for, they can help you with it. We're home. Bit of a short vlog today, but I want to start bringing you guys with me a little more as I am doing my typical daily routines. So if you like today's video, please smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. And if you just enjoyed the video, give me a comment. Let me know in the comments below. But thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe, and peace.